Number 4 is quite difficult. I try to do it for you. The first one, there are two terms. The first term is 2 and then x, and then it's -1 plus 2y. And the second term has 6, has a x, has a 2 plus y. So if you consider it, if you consider the number first, okay? 2 and 6, there's a common factor 2. And then x, common factor is x. And this factor and this factor cannot combine or take it out. So this term remaining this factor, 6x remaining 3, and this factor. So you can directly go on this. And then these two, no common factor, you get no way. You should do expansion and then see what's happened inside to simplify the thing. But seldom we use these skills. So it's -y minus 7. So we got two negative number, then we should take our negative out, and this one become y plus 7, and it will look more simpler. Okay. The second one also in 2, and these two are quite similar. You can do something for it. And part B, 2 minus a, -1 plus 2a, plus 4 a minus 2 plus a. Okay, so we usually change this to 2 plus a, 2 minus a, and then make this to be negative. But you can also change this one and make this term negative by changing order of this bracket. That means this a minus 2 become, this one become 1 minus 2a, and this 2 will cancel the negative effect. Because this bracket have two positive terms, I won't want to change it. This is nice. And these have two terms. The first term have 2, a minus 2 and 1 minus a, 2a as factors, 3 factors. This one have 3 factors also. So the common one will be 2, and this is also a common one. So remaining one will be 1 minus 2a, and this one remaining 2, and 2 plus a. Okay, so this 2 you don't make it. This one also you should expand it to see what's happened. These 2 can cancel, and then this one has to be 5. Okay, 5 times 2 is 10. We write the number at front but not at the end. Number 3, you see a 2v minus 2u, 2u minus v. That means you got something interesting. Okay, the last two terms, 2v plus 4u, you should also, if you take out 2, then come 2u minus v also. Okay, so actually we can just change this to 2u minus v square for square, because if you change just one of them, you have to have a negative sign here. If you change two of them, these two can, the negative cancel together, so just meaning positive, and then 2u minus v becomes again, and this one you take a positive 2 out, they become 2u minus v. Okay, so now have 2u minus v times 2u minus v, and then all 3 terms got 2u minus v, so you can take it as common factor, and this one remain 2u minus v because they have 2 factors of 2u minus v, and minus the whole thing plus 2. So you do it inside 2u minus v, and this time we do expansion, and then you will find this to be u minus 3v minus plus 2, and that's it. So number 3, Ivan claims that these 3 are bigger than each other. Okay, index of factor 11. By considering the values of These two determine whether hyphen is correct or not. Explain your answer. So we have to consider this value. 4 times 44. So we have to see this one. Okay. Is bigger than 1. If this is bigger than 1, then this one is bigger than this one. If this is smaller than 1, then this one is bigger. So this one is not same index, it's not same base. We cannot do anything. We have to try it to. This is 44. 44 is 11 times 4. 11 times 5. Only I know this. Okay. So these are hints. So if you don't want to see one more step, so please pause it. If otherwise, I will show again. Okay. So if we have 4 power 4 and 3 to the power 5, we compare these two values, then we can, okay, we can know which one is bigger. So 4 times 4, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, okay, it's 16 times 16, so it's 256. And then 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that means it's 9 times 9 times 3, that means it's 243. So the value become, because they're same index, we can group it. Okay, and of course this one is bigger. It is bigger than 1. Okay, so 4 to the power 4 is bigger than 3 to the power 55. And then we consider this value. 3 of power 55 divided by 5 to the power 33. We use the same trick. Okay, this one is 243 to the power 11, and then 3 to the power 5 to the power 3. Okay, it's 25 times 5 is 125. Okay, and of course it's bigger than 1 also. So this time 3 to the power 55 is bigger than 5 to the power 33. So this one is the biggest, and then this one, and then this one. So this one is bigger than this one, is bigger than this one. So hyphen is correct. Number 6, part A is easy, good pen question. And so I do it fast. Group this. And you got these two factors. Part B is given that x and y are positive integers, and y is bigger than 1. So y is at least 2, 3, 4, etc. Using the result of A, do you think that this values is an odd number or even number? Explain your answer. So you have to treat the factors. So if these two are odd numbers, then the whole thing is odd number. If this is even number, one of them is even number, multiplied together is even number. So odd times odd equals to odd. Odd times even is even. Even times odd is odd. Even. And even times even is also even. Okay, so this even number, and then minus 1 is odd number. B, 2y and 4x are even numbers. So 2y minus 1 and 4x plus 3 are odd numbers. Okay, that means if you multiply together, it's also odd numbers.